Hi everyone, have you been wanting to try embroidery? In this video, I'll show you exactly which tools and materials you'll need to begin your creative journey. Let's dive in. Let's talk about one of my favorite fabrics for embroidery, linen. See how the threads are woven together. Linen often has a slightly looser weave, which makes it easy to pass your needle and thread through. This makes it a great choice for beginners. Osnaburg is a bit more rustic, perfect for a vintage vibe. And handloom cotton? Oh, it's so soft and dreamy to stitch on. But honestly, you can embroider on almost anything. Denim jackets, canvas tote bags, even old t-shirts. Let your imagination run wild. Next, let's talk needles. I love using tapestry needles for most of my stitching. They have a blunt tip so they won't pierce your fabric. Tapestry needles have a blunt point and a large eye. They are commonly used for needlepoint, cross-stitch, and other embroidery techniques where you need to pass the needle through closely woven fabric or canvas. Chenille needles have a large, elongated eye and a sharp point. They are ideal for creating textured stitches such as chenille embroidery or tufted effects. Embroidery needles are versatile and come in different sizes. They have a sharp point and a slightly larger eye, allowing for easy threading. These needles work well with various embroidery techniques and thread weights. Milliner's needles, also known as straw needles, are long, thin needles with round eyes. They are perfect for creating decorative stitches, such as French knots or bullion knots. Beading needles are very fine and have a long, narrow eye. They are specifically designed for adding beads and sequins to embroidery projects. These needles make it easier to thread through small bead holes. Let's talk about embroidery hoops. These handy tools keep your fabric taut while you stitch, making it easier to create neat and even stitches. I'm a big fan of wooden hoops. They're sturdy, they come in a variety of shapes and sizes, and they have a classic look that I love. Here are a few of my favorites. A round hoop, which is perfect for most projects, an oval hoop, which is great for longer designs, and a square hoop, which can add a modern touch. Next up, embroidery scissors. These small, sharp scissors are designed for snipping threads close to the fabric. They're essential for keeping your work neat and tidy. Now let's talk about thread. I love using stranded cotton floss for my embroidery. It's soft, it comes in a huge range of colors, and it's easy to separate into strands to get the perfect thickness for your stitches. Two of my favorite brands are Anchor and DMC. They both offer high-quality floss with vibrant colors that won't fade. Look at this gorgeous array of colors. From soft pastels to bold jewel tones, there's a shade for every project. To keep my floss collection organized, I use a floss organizer box like this one. It has compartments for each color, and I wind my floss onto bobbins to keep it from tangling. This makes it easy to find the perfect shade when I need it. So those are a few of my essential embroidery tools. With these supplies, you'll be well on your way to creating beautiful hand embroidery. There are countless different types of hand embroidery, each with its own unique characteristics. Ready for your first stitch? You can begin right now by watching my Stitchbook embroidery series. The full course is also available. Find the links and get started today.